Welcome to Budapest, the European city split in two by the Danube River. If you like Eastern European vibes, you have to check out Budapest in Hungary. This place has incredible culture, thermal baths, the Danube River, and delicious food like goulash. Also, if you're a drinker, they have a very large beer culture. Budapest is unique because it has the old castle side of Buda and the new, more modern inner city of Pest. Splitting these two halves is the famous chain bridge. Also, you can't leave Budapest before trying one of its 12 medicinal thermal baths. Here are the 3 reasons why you have to travel Budapest. Now, you can't talk about Hungary without bringing up its food. Hungarians are famous for their paprika, and they celebrate it in their traditional dish, goulash. It has been eaten here for over 1,000 years, and it's a tomato-based paprika beef soup with traditional pasta.
You immediately taste the flavors of red wine, rosemary, and Hungary's famous paprika.
It's a simple but delicious must-try dish here on your visit to Budapest. Budapest is the thermal bath capital of Europe. It has 9 medicinal thermal baths and 123 hot springs. Thermal baths are a huge part of Hungarian culture, and they often make it to the baths about once a week. The 2 most popular here are Széchenyi behind me. It has over 15 pools and 1.7 million annual visitors.
My favorite thing about this place was the giant outdoor spa. Just make sure to go early so you don't have crowds like this.
The next is Geller Thermal Pools. They have much more of a rustic vibe, and they are located in the 100-year-old Geller Hotel.
This is great for an old-time rustic experience in the city.
Next are its historic sites and architecture.
From here you can see Buda Castle, the home of Hungarian kings of old, which started construction in the 1200s. The chain bridge, which when constructed in 1849 was the first bridge across the Danube and a huge feat of engineering in its day. And the incredible Gothic Hungarian Parliament buildings, completed in 1902. Which is still the largest building in Hungary. The city also features many other Gothic buildings and historical sites, which you can see on a day tour.
This is just some of the amazing things that Budapest has to offer. Make sure you definitely fit it in your next Europe trip. But this is the Czech Republic, and they love beer. Bed of beer wheat while eating beer bread.